In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your ASUS, a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accounts. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select sign in options. And then going underneath ways to sign in, select password, and then select the change button. Go ahead and enter in your current password, then select next. Follow through with the on-screen steps, and you can continue here with selecting next once more, and then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.